Hi people, this is Ian from FemiPro.com, and in this video I'm going to give you a summary of what we did in 2019 and what we're going to offer in 2020. Now in 2019, FemiPro Limited launched because we saw a need for brand new hybrid batteries. Based on our research and my experience, no one was offering any battery supports for hybrid cars. So we started importing new hybrid batteries. It was very successful and we got a lot of support and we have got new customers. Then we added a new service. We added diagnostics with our own technician. We went out and we got a contractor. So basically now we have a technician that can help you diagnose your problem to determine if you actually need a new battery. Because it's possible that a new battery is not needed. Sometimes you just need to clean up the cells because there are corrosions. So with our consultant helps you determine if you need a new battery or if you can get used modules. Now in most cases it's best to get a new battery, and we sell new batteries, but if you cannot afford a new battery, then you ideally will want the next best option. Also, for some cars or some modules, the car will operate even when the battery is bad. In most cases, you won't get the fuel efficiency, so it defeats the purpose of getting a hybrid. Also, the automatic stop and start won't work, but the car will drive. So we are here to help you determine how to get your car back on the road or if you need to get a new battery. For 2020, our aim is to give you as much information to determine how to move forward. We give you information if you're looking to buy a new hybrid car, which is the best one for you. Also, we'll help you determine if your car is giving problem, how to fix it in the most efficient way. Now, hybrid cars are very fuel efficient and can save you a lot of money. So we at FemiPro here, we're here to provide the information, we're here to provide you the service, we're here to provide you the battery, and as I said before, we have a contractor on board that can help you service your car. So if you have a hybrid, you don't need to worry. If you're thinking about buying one, we can assist you. Look forward to serving you in 2020.